Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Capsim 2025 winning series. This video is part of the top 10 winning strategies to score 999 in Capsim 2025 and 2026, and today, we're focusing on Round 4, one of the most important turning points in the entire game. In previous videos, we covered Rounds 1, 2, and 3, helping your team reach top sales and top profits. If you haven't watched those yet, I highly recommend reviewing them first. They set the foundation for everything we're about to do. Counterclockwise arrows button. Quick recap before we start Round 4. So far, you've launched new products, adjusted positioning, managed price strategies, and optimized production. By now, your company should be ranked top 7 in profit, with 3 new products starting to perform very well. That's a great position going into Round 4. Now in Round 4, the strategy becomes more aggressive and decisive. You'll see why this round is often called the turnaround round. It's where you pull ahead of your competitors, if you make the right calls. Let's begin step by step. Hammer and wrench. Step 1, updating your products, and amp winking and laughing. Decisions, continue updating your products for all relevant market segments. White heavy check mark. The good news is, the product update process is now easier, because you already applied a strong and amp winking and laughing strategy in rounds 1 to 3. White heavy check mark. Your new products are selling well, and now it's time to keep them competitive. But one important reminder, do not copy numbers from this video directly. The product specifications, like performance and size, can vary slightly between different games and users. Always refer to your industry conditions report and follow the same logic we use here. If you're unsure how to interpret those numbers, rewatch the video from round 1 or send me a message. I'm happy to help. Loudspeaker. Step 2, marketing, price and amp, promotion strategy. Now let's work on marketing. Here's a key tactic for round 4, light bulb. Reduce the price by $1 instead of just 50 cents like in earlier rounds. Why? Because in this round, lowering the price by $1 gives you a strong advantage over competitors, especially in terms of sales volume. This pricing strategy boosts your appeal without drastically sacrificing margins, perfect for gaining market share. Also, keep your promotion and sales budgets strong. You want to aim for around $2,000 for each product. That's how you maximize awareness and accessibility. Backhand index pointing right. This is a deliberate push to outshine your rivals in round 4. In round 5, we can ease off slightly, but right now, we go strong. Chart increasing. Step 3, sales forecast, predicting demand accurately. Next, let's calculate your sales forecast. Use your round 3 results and report A, from round 4, to analyze the performance. Start by reviewing last round's actual sales, remaining inventory, product availability. For round 4, we recommend increasing your forecast by 20% compared to round 3. This helps ensure you meet rising demand, especially with your new competitive price strategy. Again, don't just copy the forecast numbers you see in this video. Instead, use the same method. 1. Look at actual sales. 2. Subtract remaining inventory. 3. Add 20% for expected growth. This method gives you a more accurate and personalized forecast. Factory. Step 4, production decisions. With the sales forecast ready, let's move to production. Here's what to do. 1. Input the forecasted sales. 2. Subtract your inventory. 3. Add a small buffer of units, around 5 to 10%, to avoid stockouts. Also, increase automation levels strategically. Low-end segment, set automation to 10. Traditional, increase to 8 other segments. Keep around 4. This will reduce labor costs over time, making your products more profitable in the long term. Wrench. Don't forget to adjust capacity too. If your demand has doubled, you should plan for up to 200% capacity, especially for your high-performing products. But always check your finance module to ensure you have enough budget to fund expansion. Man office worker. Step 5, human resources, HR, build a strong workforce. Next up is HR, a module that's often overlooked but incredibly important. In round 4, invest in both recruitment and training. Budget, $5,000 training hours, 80 hours. This investment helps reduce turnover and improves productivity, which directly improves your contribution margin and net profit in later rounds. It's a smart long-term move. Moneybag Step 6, Finance, Funding your strategy. Let's now look at finance. In Round 4, you might need additional funds to support increased capacity, automation, and HR spending. Here's how to do it smartly. You can issue short-term debt for quick capital. You may also issue long-term debt. Aim around $41,000 if needed. Avoid issuing too much stock this round unless absolutely necessary, as it dilutes equity. Once your funding is in place, check your income statement and cash flow projections. If your cash position is healthy, your strategy is on track. Repeat button. Quick review of Round 4 decisions. Let's quickly summarize what we've done in Round 4. 1. Updated products based on segment trends. 2. Reduced prices by $1 and increased marketing to $2,000 per product. 3. Increased sales forecasts by 20%. 4. Adjusted production using forecasts plus inventory. 5. Raised automation and expanded capacity. 6. Invested in HR with training and recruitment. 7. Secured financing through calculated debt issuance. All these moves work together to deliver a top performance. Trophy the results. Why this round matters. So, what happens when you follow this strategy? Here's what we typically see. Highest net profit among all teams. Top market share, often over 27%. Highest cumulative profit across all competitors. Stock price growth. It starts doubling each round from here. Industry-leading contribution margins. All of that is proof that your decisions are working, and that you're mastering the simulation, not just playing it. Brain more than winning. Learn the logic behind each decision at this stage in the game. It's not just about making good decisions. It's about understanding. Bar chart. What reports to read. Puzzle piece. What data matters most. Direct hit. Why one choice is better than another. You should now be able to interpret industry reports with confidence. Customize pricing per segment. Project demand accurately. Balance investment and risk in finance. Manage HR for long-term success. That's the true value of playing CAPSIM well. These are skills you can use in real business scenarios. Open mailbox with raised flag. Final tip: get help when you need it. If you're ever unsure, check the videos from rounds 1, 2, and 3. Revisit your industry condition reports or simply send me a message. Remember, rounds 1 and 2 support are completely free, so feel free to test your decisions with my help before committing to the full 8-round package. Email mbasim2002@gmail.com or mbasim1999@gmail.com. Graduation cap conclusion. That wraps up round 4, one of the most critical rounds in the CAPSIM journey. If you follow this strategy step by step, stay focused on learning the logic behind each choice, and remain flexible with the data in your own game, you're well on your way to a 999 score. In the next video, we'll move into round 5 and show you how to build on this momentum and protect your lead. Thank you for watching, and good luck. Let's win CAPSIM and learn how to lead in the real world.